Hello students, today we will use the formula that we have derived in the last class, okay? And the formula that we have derived is to find out the area of triangle using the coordinates, okay? So that is the area of the triangle. So let us study the question that is regarding to that formula, that is the exercise 7.3. This is the exercise of standard 10 chapter number 7 coordinate geometry. And what is the question? The first question is find the area of the triangle whose vertices are, here we have given the three vertices. Let's suppose first is A 2 3, second one is B minus 1 2, and third one is C 2 minus 4. We have to find out the area of this, the area of the triangle which are formed by these three vertices. So let us give it the name x1 y1, x2 y2, and x3 y3. Okay, it is not necessary to give the x1 y1 to the first point only, right? You can give it to this point also, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y2. Whatever you, whenever you apply this formula, whatever the name you have given, you will find the area equal, right? Okay, so the area of the triangle, now we know that the formula, that is 1 half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 in the bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 in the bracket y1 minus y2. Let us put all the values. So here 1 half, what is x1? x1 is 2, y2 minus y3, y2 is 0, and y3 is minus 4, so minus of minus 4, right? Plus x2 is what? Minus 1, y3 is minus 4, minus y1 is 3, plus x3 is 2, y1 minus y2 is 3, minus y2 is 0. So here we put all the values. Now let us simplify it. Here we get 1 half 2 in the bracket, 0 minus 4 is what? Plus 4. So here we get plus 4. Here minus 1 is already there. So minus 4 minus 3, that is equals to minus 7, plus 2, 3 minus 0 is 3. Right? Okay. Now again let us simplify further. We get 1 half. Here we get 4 to the 8. Minus plus 7 1 the 7. And 3 to the 6. So here we get 1 half in the bracket 8 plus 7 plus 6. So 1 half. Now 8 plus 7, that is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. So here we get the total area is equals to 21 upon 2. This is what the area of the triangle, and its unit is whatever the unit, we have to make it square. So we can also write down square unit, right? So this is the area of the triangle formed by these three vertices, A 2 3, B minus 1 0, and C 2 minus 4, right? This is the area 21 upon 2. Now in this way you can solve the other questions given in this question number 1. Okay, let us study the question number 2. In question number 2 we have given is, in each of the following find the value of k for which the points are collinear. So here what we have to do, we have to find out the value of k. One of the condition here we have given is that all these 3 points are collinear. Now think about how we can find out the value of k using these 3 points. Well, for 3 points, coordinates of the 3 points, we have the formula that is the only of the area of the triangle. So think, when the 3 points are collinear, can they make a triangle? No, they cannot form the triangle. So what will be the area? Area will be the 0, because all the 3 points are collinear. They are not forming the triangle. So the area we can take is equals to 0. So here we can write down that area of triangle PQR is equals to 0 because the 3 points are the collinear. They are not making the triangle. So there is no concept of the area. Now you can apply the formula of the triangle. So what is the area formula to find out the area of the triangle? That is 1 half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the formula, right? Now put down all the values. Here we know that the total area is equals to what? 0. So here we can write down 1 half x1 is what? x1 is 8, y2 is what? Minus 4 minus y3 is again minus 5. So put it in the bracket, right? This bracket is over. Plus x2 is k, y3 is what? Minus 5 minus y1 is 1 plus x3 is what? x3 is 2, y1 is what? y1 is 1 minus y2 is minus 4. This bracket is over. Total is equals to 0. Now see, this 1 half is in the multiplication. So when we take this 2 to the right hand side, it will multiply with 0. So this 2, if we take to the right hand side, it will become 0. So now don't need to write down 1 half. Just to simplify this portion, we get here 8 in the bracket, minus 4 minus plus 5 plus k minus 5 minus 1, that is minus 6 plus 2 1 minus plus 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5 and the total is equals to 0. Now see here, 4 minus 5, that is 1, and 8 ones are 8. 8 minus 6k plus 10 is equals to 0. Now 10 plus 8, that is equals to 18. So here you get 18 minus 6k is equals to 0. Right? Take this 18 to the right hand side, we get 6k is equals to 18. And the value of k we get here is 18 upon 6. When we cut the common factor, we get 6 3 is 18, so 3. So therefore, we get the value of k is equals to 3. Okay? So this, how we can find out the value of k? By using the area of the triangle. But here we have given that all the points are collinear, so that we can take the area of triangle is equals to 0. That concept we have to use here. Okay? So in this way, now you can solve this type of questions. Okay? So this is all about this lecture. Thank you.